Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is basically a tutorial of the game Among Us, and this tutorial only has the tasks to be done because that's what people fidget with. So the first task is in the navigation area, and if you see a yellow highlighted part, that means it's your task. Basically, you have to take the rocket and just join the dots. That's all is the task. Your tasks are shown on the left side, and those are only your tasks. Others tasks may vary. Now we look for the other tasks. Keep in mind that if your taskbar shows completed, it means every crew member of yours has completed the task, not just you. Our third task is in the electrical, and we just have to take the highlighted one and pull it up. That's all is the task. When you start doing one or two tasks, you automatically get a yellow arrow that will direct you to the next task. So our next task is in the security, and basically in this there's a capsule in the center. You just have to tap it and the dots get connected. Hence your task is done. Now we will start searching for our next task because we cannot see any yellow arrow. However, on the left hand side where all your tasks are mentioned, you can already see the location. Example, admin, O2, security and navigation, which is mentioned before the task. Now we are in the admin sector, and basically we just have to join the wires here to the same color. That's all is the task. It's that simple. Now again we can see the yellow arrow that is directing us to our next task, and we're gonna follow that. Again, we have to just join the wires to the same colors and our task will be done. We can again spot a yellow arrow, and hence we're gonna follow that. Also, we have to do the wiring task 3 times because that is what is written in our task list. For now, we have done it twice, and this is the third and last time that we're gonna do this, and our task will be complete. Just join the pair of wiring and your task is done. Simple. We now have one task to do twice since it says empty chute 2 times. This is the first time that we're doing it. We just have to pull and hold it down. That's it. The tasks that are highlighted in green shows that those tasks are done, and the one in yellow means an ongoing task. Now we just have one last task to complete and we'll be done. This is the last time. The same way we have to pull and hold the handle. That's it. The tasks are completed. I wanted to make this tutorial, and hence that was a pop-up that was showing because I played a free play. I hope you guys have now got an idea about the tasks in Among Us and you will be able to play with your friends. Thank you, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.
I got plans for me and you. Oh, it ain't my time, baby girl.